Hello, Cobras! Thank you for watching! Congratulations on finishing this school year. Today, we're going to look at your final report cards. We're going to review how to read your report card. Then we're going to discuss how the grades that you have earned will be calculated into your cumulative GPA. Let's take a look at your report card now. At the top, you see your identifying information, your name, student number, and so on. Then you see the course name and teacher for each of your classes. Next, you see the grades that you earned earlier in the year, first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter grades. You also see your first semester exam and final grades. New to this report card, you see your fourth quarter grades. These are the grades that you earned in your classes from March to May. The S2E column shows you the grades that you earned on your semester exams the last week of May. The S2 column shows you your semester grade. We will talk in more detail about how these grades are calculated in just a moment. Rather than awarding 2 semester grades, AOC courses award 1 final grade. If you took an AOC course, the FYE column shows your final exam grade based on your AOC score. The FY column shows the overall final grade you earned in the course. Again, we will discuss the calculation of these grades in just a moment. It is important to note that quarter grades and exam grades appear on your report card, but do not appear on your transcript. The only grades that appear on your transcript and the only grades used in the calculation of your GPA are your semester and final grades. In the boxes in the middle of your report card, you will see GPAs calculated by quarter, semester, and current year. These numbers can help you see the trend of your grades. Were your grades higher or lower second semester? However, other than seeing this trend, you will not use these numbers. They will not be used to determine graduation status. When you are thinking about graduation or college admission, you want to look at your cumulative GPA, which can be found in the box to the bottom left of your report card. Here you can also see how many total credits you have earned, whether you have passed the 10th grade FSA ELA and Algebra 1 EOC tests, whether you have completed your 20 hours of community service, and whether you have completed the online requirement for graduation. So now let's look at how your semester and final grades are calculated. For non-EOC courses, each semester is divided into 2 9-week grading periods and a semester exam. The 2 9-week grades each make up 40% of the semester average. The exam is 20% of the semester average. For these courses, 1/2 credit is earned for each class each semester. The cumulative GPA is recalculated at the end of each semester, including these grades. For EOC courses, you will only receive a final grade at the end of the year. This final grade is made up of your 4 9-weeks grades, your first semester exam grade, and your EOC grade. These courses are not calculated in your GPA until the final grade is determined at the end of the year. Now let's look at your GPA in more detail. GPA is calculated by converting each of your semester and final grades to points. Then we determine the average by dividing the total number of grade points earned by the total number of credits attempted. You can see the scales used to award points listed here. For your unweighted GPA, all grades are awarded points based on the 4-point grade scale, where an A is given 4 points, a B 3, and so on. When calculating your weighted honors point average, or HPA, regular level classes continue to award points on the 4-point scale. However, honors level courses are awarded points on a 4.5 scale, where an A is given 4.5 points, a B 3.375, and so on. AP, ACE, and dual enrollment courses are on a 6-point scale. An A is worth 6 points, a B is worth 4.5 points, and so on. Again, to determine your GPA, the total number of points is divided by the total number of courses taken. Let's look at a few examples. Here is a student who has taken all regular classes this semester. Using the 4-point scale, we convert each letter grade to points. Then we add the points together. In this case, the student has earned 20 points in 7 classes. When we divide 20 by 7, we get the GPA of 2.8571. Because all of these classes are regular level courses, the GPA and the HPA are the same. In this example, the student here is taking courses at the regular, honors, and AP ACE levels. To calculate their unweighted GPA, all grades are converted to points using the 4-point scale. However, when we are calculating their HPA, we use the weighted scale. So the A that they earned in the AP ACE English is given 6 points. The A that they earned in Science Honors is given 4.5 points. Again, the points are totaled together and divided by the total number of classes. For the GPA, this student earned 24 points. When divided by 7, this student's GPA is 3.4286. For the weighted HPA, they earned 27.25 points, which when divided by 7 gives them an HPA of 3.8929. Again, the grades that are used in your GPA are your first semester, second semester, and final grades. Also, remember, you don't want to be too concerned with the averages found in the shaded box of the report card. You are mostly concerned with your cumulative GPA, which includes all of your semester and final grades from all of your high school credit courses taken, whether in middle or high school. The cumulative GPA is found in the box in the bottom left corner of your report card. You need at least a 2.0 GPA to be on track for graduation. If you earned a D or an F for your semester or final grade in one of your courses, you may be eligible for grade forgiveness. Keep in mind that grade forgiveness only applies to semester or final grades and not to 9-week or exam grades. If you have earned a D or an F, you can retake the course. And if you earn a C or higher the second time, your original grade will no longer be used in the calculation of your GPA. It is important to note that the initial D or F will remain a part of your academic history. While a forgiven class is excluded from your high school GPA, some universities calculate GPA based on all courses attempted. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay in touch with us in the school counseling office through Remind 101 and Twitter. This video and all of our presentations are posted on our YouTube channel.